Hi, my name is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I am sharing a strawberry lemonade recipe as well as my sweet and sour chicken and lo mein recipe. And with the lemonade, I used 9 small lemons. If you can get the bigger ones, then you would only need 6 bigger sized lemons. But I just take my lemons and I start rolling them around on the cutting board just to break up the juice in there, and it makes it a lot easier to squeeze. So you're just going to roll around all of your lemons and get them well juiced, and then cut them in half and start squeezing them. And I try to get as much juice as possible out. And then I will slice some of my lemons up in little strips, because later I will put those in with the lemonade just because it still has some of the juices in there, and it will soak in and continue to give it a lemony flavor. So right here, I just start cutting up some strawberries, and then I'm just going to drop them into this bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar into it because it will help juice the strawberries and get more of the juices out. But I used about a half a pack of the strawberries, and I bought a big pack of them. I did wash my strawberries. So I'm just going to cut about half of them up and put them in with my little sugar mixture and get them juicing. And after I get done cutting up some of my strawberries, I will start smashing the strawberries just to release some of the juices that are in there. This is just the way I have done it for so many years. I'll just smash them up. If you have a juicer, you can juice them. You can use your blender, blend them up. I smash mine to release some of the juices, and then I add it into my lemonade. So right here, I was just getting them all smushed up, and I still have some of my strawberries just laid out, because once I add my water and my sugar, I will add in the little lemon peels and some more of my strawberries, and I will just put that in the fridge and let that sit for a few hours. You can drink it right away, but I always let mine sit for a few hours just to get more of the flavors to come out. And I use about 2 cups of sugar to mine. You can do it as taste. If you want it more bitter, add less sugar. If you want it more sweeter, add more sugar. But the 2 cups of sugar for us is perfect, because it's like a happy medium, a little bitter, and on the sweeter side as well. So if y'all seen a little bit of lemonade spill out, I did add a little too much water. I overfilled it a little bit. But I'm just giving it a taste test, and I got the lemonade approved dance going on. So right now I'm just going to get all my chicken cut up, and I'm going to toss it all into this bowl, and I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, as well as some salt and pepper sprinkled over top, and then just mix it up. So I added a little bit of avocado oil to my pan, and I just dumped in my chicken, and I am just going to cook it all the way through. And then once my chicken is cooked, I will pour that into a strainer just to drain off any of the liquids in there. And then I will put in my stir-fry vegetables and just cook all those up. So I brought my water to a boil. I am going to put my noodles in, and the box said to cook them for about 3 to 6 minutes. So I'm just going to let those cook up while I'm getting all of this over here heated back up, cooking it together to get some more of the flavors in with the chicken before I start adding the rest of my stuff. So I drained the water off of the noodles, and the pan I was using just wasn't big enough to add the noodles to it, so I just continue to use the pot pan that I'm using right here. I just added my chicken and vegetables in, and now I was using my sweet and sour sauce. I'm just going to add that in and just let it cook, heat it all up, and just get all the flavors mixed in. I will let it simmer for about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and when you hit the bell notification button, it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys next week, and I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday. And dinner was very delicious.